Choosing where to build industry is rarely about one thing. It comes down to what's already here and the people who make it work. Some places are built to show you around. This one is built to run. The power is here. The logistics are here. The room to build is here. You're not starting from scratch. You're stepping into something that already works, so you can get on with what you actually came to do. Industry doesn't grow on its own. It grows next to people who've done it before, where you can test it for real, not just draw it up. From a first idea to something built to scale. In the end, it comes down to people. People who know the work, who carry the responsibility, experience passed on, new knowledge coming in, and they know what it takes to keep it running day after day. Where to build industry? When the ground is solid, when there's room to grow, when the right people are already here, the decision gets a lot simpler.